Hello, everybody, anyone that is watching. We finally made our way in, so that's a good start. Thanks very much, Harry. Right, we are looking then at ordering decimals today. So I have picked 4 decimal numbers that are hopefully different to the ones on Purple Mash, and we're going to have a look at how we would put them in order. Now, depending on what the question says, make sure you check whether it's smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I here have got smallest largest. Hopefully this is the right way around on your screen. So first of all, we need to look at the units. We need to look at the number that has the most value. We know that units are always bigger than decimal numbers. So we start our units, and all of our units in these examples are 3. So that doesn't help us. We can't order 3. There's nothing different about them. So we need to go to the next column with the next greatest values. So we're not going to jump right down to the thousands. Our next column is our tenths. So look in your tenths column. So we have now got 3.567, we've got 5 tenths, 3.489, we've got 4 tenths, 3.56, we've got 5 tenths, and 3.532, we've got 5 tenths. So we know that 4 is smaller than 5. So that number has to be smallest. So we can put that first. Okay, so we've done that one. We can get rid of it. Wipe it out. Okay, now we're left with the remaining 3. They are all 5 tenths. So again, we can't order them. We need to go to the next column. So we will now go to our hundredths. So this time we've got 6, 6, and 3. So we know that the next smallest number has to be 3.532 because we know 3 hundredths is less than 6 hundredths. So next we can put 3.532 and then get rid of that one. Now we are left to 2 numbers. They both have 6 hundredths, so it doesn't help us. So we now need to go to our thousands. Now I've put a bit of a trick in this one. I wonder if anyone can spot what we're going to need to do. We've got 7 thousandths in this number. But in this number, we don't have any thousandths written, but we do know what should be here. I'll remember, I think, before I tell you. So we should always have zeros. We have zeros that go on forever in decimal numbers. We know that we can fill in that gap. So now we are comparing 0 and 7. We of course know that 0 is smaller than 7. So we can put 3.56 and finish with 3.567. Okay, so always start with the column with the biggest value. So start with your units and then move along 1 column at a time. So go towards the right 1 column at a time so that you're getting the greatest value that you're comparing first. Okay, hope that makes a bit of sense. I'm hoping this is going to stay on YouTube, so whenever you do this you can come back to it. Okay, good luck. I'm sure you'll be fine. Bye.